In the previous example, we already talked about the unit price estimate. You may wonder where you can get the unit price. If you're already in the business for a while, you can also get it from previous jobs. However, if you do not have this kind of data, you can always use some published cost data. In this case, we'll use RS means data. The database contains over 85,000 line items, and the cost engineers spend more than 22,000 hours researching and validating the cost every year. There are different types of cost data for different types of projects. They offer both books and online versions for different types of projects. I believe you will use a free trial version this year. I believe the cost data was published in 2011. Now let's take a look at the RS means data. How do you read this data? The first two digits are the division number. 0330 represents cast in place concrete. We keep appending numbers to that number to represent more specific line items under cast in place concrete. Before we pick a line item, it's always necessary to read the description in the first few lines. Make sure what is included, what is not included in the cost. In this screenshot, you can see the concrete in place includes forms for uses, grade 60 rebar, concrete, and placement and finishing. Let's take a look at the highlighted item, which is a 4 feet by 4 feet by 6 inch thick equipment pad. The quantity is measured by each. The bare material cost is $69 each. The bare labor cost is $79 each, and the equipment cost is $0.85 per equipment pad. So the total is $148.85 per equipment pad. The last column is the total, including the overhead and profit. I would not really recommend using the last column because we need the cost of material and equipment for sales tax estimation. The RS means data are organized in master format. There are 50 divisions in total, so you may notice that there are gaps between some numbers, for example, between divisions 14 and division 21. Those empty division numbers are used for placeholders, just in case they need them for future expansion. The division number give us general idea about where to find a particular line item. Since you will be using online version, it's always convenient to use keywords for searches.